Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling developer options and turning on USB debugging on the phone so the laptop can see it. Next, install the proper Android USB drivers on Windows or confirm Mac OS tolerates ADB. Linux typically needs a DB packages. Plug a known good data USB cable, set the phone to file transfer, and accept the computer's RSA prompt on the phone. Once done, open a terminal and run a DB devices to confirm the device ID shows up. That verifies the basic link. You'll install a mirroring tool. SCRCPY is lightweight and free, while Visor or a Power Mirror offer GUI. Install SCRCPY on your laptop, then start the ADB server with a DB start server to ensure connectivity. Once the server is running, execute SCRCPY. The app will open a live window of your phone screen. You can pass flags for max size, bitrate, or turn on keyboard/mouse control. Make sure the phone remains unlocked and that you allow input when prompted, because that enables finish by switching the mirror to full screen or using built-in record and clipboard sync features for presentations or demos. When you're done, close the mirroring app, run a DB kill server to cleanly stop ADB, then unplug the cable. If the device isn't detected, check a known good data cable, toggle the phone's USB mode to file transfer, reauthorize the computer when the RSA prompt appears, reinstall drivers, and restart the phone and laptop. That usually resolves connectivity or authorization failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.